let's crack it open. Oh, look. Oh, red eye, kids. Whoa, look at that, kids. Hi, kids. We are going to make a video of 5 dragon mothers. That the zombie is the boss, and if the dragons don't want to do what he does, if the dragons don't want to follow what he does, then zombie will just bite them if they don't do the right thing. Right. Let's get ready to put the litter in because it's already all empty, kids. See that? No litter in there yet. Alright, that's enough. Now you have to do it in this one, kids. Alright, that could be enough. Alright, let's open the box before we open up the butters, kids. Alright, wait a second. Zombie Series 33. So Zombie Series 33. Here, we got him. Alright, good. Oh! There. And over there. Alright, Zombie Series 33. He's phased out. Look at that. So Zombie has a black chassis, yellow tire, gray, black tire, red tire, and red rim. Wow, look at that zombie. He even got yellow hands. He even got a white hand too. So he got white and stuff. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's open up our first dragon truck. Dragon Series 2 we're going to open. Whoop. Alright. Oh! He immediately popped out, kids. See that? Oh, he even landed it. Wow, look at that, kids. Did you just see what happened? Somehow he popped out. So this popped out too. Alright. Let's get the dragon out. Wait a second. Look at that BKT tower. Squish. You can squish it a little bit. There. Wow, look at these tires. Look, I can like. Oh! Look at that. Oh, it's cracking. Oh, look at that, kids. It's cracking. Look at that. Let's crack it open. Oh, look. Oh, red eye, kids. All right, let's go find the whole thing. All right, here goes the dragon going down. Landed it. All right. I killed it and everything. Hey, going up the bridge. Oh no, I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in. Oh no, don't put my tires in. No. I don't want to be discovered. No. Uh-oh. No. Oh no, I fell in. Help me. No, I'm falling apart. Oh, look at all that squishy stuff. Let's see if it's good. Alright. Whoa! He's doing a wheelie on that. Actually, not good enough. Oh. Alright. How's he doing a wheelie? I don't know if it's too this. Alright. That's it. I'm getting mud on my shoes. Oh, why is he doing a wheelie again, kids? Can you tell me why, kids? Oh my god. It's breaking my thing, dude. Yo, oh! He's on his back! What have you... Yo! Oh! No! I would stay in now! Nope, you can't. I'm not getting my hands dirty. No, don't take me. Don't take me. Ew, look at that, kids. Oh, go from there. Oh, the hands are kind of dirty. Oh, whoa, let's check it. Right, let's get that ready. Let's see what the zombie says real quick. Let's see what the zombie says. Oh, I'm the cool zombie. Alright, dragon. Go in this handprint. Go in that handprint. Okay. Mud, mud, mud. Mud everywhere. You're not clean enough for a car wash. Why do I have to go in here? Gotta hurry up and power out. You got back up? Let's see. Ooh, look at that teal hood. I kind of like this, kids. Do you like this, kids? I kind of like it. Teal hood, blah, blah. Look at that. Wow, that looks so cool. I like it. Yep, you do have no mud. I'm correct. All right, you can sit here. Okay. All right, let's open up the next mystery butter, series 2. It's the same truck dragon, but it could be a different color or not. Oh, this is so, ow. Oh, kids, this is so hot that it burned my hands. And I'm all dirty. See that, kids? Yo, look at that. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, still hot. Oh, it's like, look, kids, green and green under there. Oh, it's orange. Oh, my God. Oh, look at that, kids. Ew. Ew. I'm going to have to clean it back again, kids. Drops. Let's get him ready. Whoa, that's very hot. Let's go. No. No. Come on, get me out. Come on. Oh no. Why do I have to do this all the time? Why do I have to be washed? Whoa, look at that, kids. It's green like the other one. Alright, let's see what the boss says till we get him out of there. See what Zombie says. Zombie's like all the way over there. Come here, dragon. Oh, I can already see mud spots. You got mud still. Ah, man. Why do I have to climb back in the water? We have a spray over here. It will be faster than putting it in here. Nope, I'm not going. All right. Oh, no. You gotta do it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at that. Oh, see that, kids? Oh! Let's see if the boss says that. Oh, really? Look at that, kids. Oh, well, he's all purple this time. Oh, look at that, kids. Apollo. Just stopping it real quick. Right? Alright. No mud, no mud, no mud, no mud. Alright, no mud. You are good. Alright, let's go. So the difference is they have red and that's purple and purple eye, red eye. And green, teal. And that's the same, that's the same. And there's something different about the numbers and stuff on them. That's the only difference of it. I just wet all the mudders. Alright, kids, we're going to wash this one with a different way. No, I don't want to be clean. No, don't be clean. Aww. Why do I have to? Oh, look at that muddy water. Alright. Well, look at that dragon. I don't know what it is. It kind of looks weird with all that mud in here. The zombie says, you got mud spots there. No, don't push me. Alright, let's see what the guy says. That's what zombie says. Okay. You're all fine. You line up there with the other ones. Wait, so we're running out of water over here, kids. Let's fill it back up real quick. Right, kids? We're get ready for our next mother. Wait, let's go. Alright, gonna do it here. Let's break this windshield off before we go. Maybe we can start from over here. Honestly, we could break it down like that. Alright, let's start cleaning him off. Alright. But look at that red! Look at that green, kids. Whoa, how did that appear? No, I'm not going in there. I want... No. I don't want to be like this. Yum chocolate milk, kids. Want to drink it? Yum chocolate milk. You can drink it in anywhere. No. You're not. I'm just joking. Don't grab me. Don't. You're doing it backwards. Go, look at that, kids. I'm trying to do it fast. He's on green too. Just throw him in. Oh, you still got blood. You gotta screw it. Alright, let's see how far we can push him. Can't roll him over. At least he's all clean. I can see about clean. Go to the next one. In the truck, he's on melting. Oh, this last truck is melting. Somehow he opens it so fast. Right? Ew, that feels weird, kids. Let's throw it under there. Ew, it's muddy water. Ew. Oh, sorry. Wash. You still got one. I got to get free. Wait, all right, let's hurry up. Yo, look at that. Oh, we have to watch out. The bomb is coming. Hurry. Oh, it's a lot of spray. You're all fine, Dragon. Actually, you got messed up. Right? No mud spots. Roll it out there. All right, kids. Which one's your favorite? You have two different ones and 3 green ones. This one and this one are different from the green ones, kids. Which one do you like? All right, let's see which one the zombie likes. All right, my favorite is that one over there. The zombie said he likes that one. I like the first one. He likes the fourth. All right, kids.